As in this video, we're talking about three phases of the IRS tax resolution phase. So if you're having issues with the IRS bill and you don't know how to pay it or you're trying to get it resolved, and you're looking at this video, there's three phases on how to get that resolved, right? So that first stage, whether you're using a tax resolution agent or specialist, or if you're trying to do it yourself, that first stage that you're going to be in is what we call that case evaluation stage. You're looking at that IRS letter, you're evaluating, you're probably Googling some of your options that you may have, or your agent is doing this for you. They're taking all your transcripts and they're saying, what type of resolution is the resolution option that's best going to either put this thing in a favorable payment plan or remove this IRS tax debt, this whole tax liability, right? What's the best option? That's going to be your first phase or stage, right? That second stage, once you figure out, like, okay, I need to do this type of resolution. That second stage will be, am I in compliance? Do I have my estimate taxes paid? And most importantly, do I have my taxes filed? Once you pull your transcripts, you should see on that transcripts which tax returns are missing. If within that 6 year span, if you have missing tax returns that are not filed from that 6 year span on which you owe taxes in, you need to file those taxes before you do any type of resolution. Or else they're going to say, hey, before we put this into a payment plan, before we do an offer in compromise or a partial pay installment agreement, we're going to need to put this in compliance. So that's the second phase, is the compliance stage. All the taxes that you haven't filed, we're going to have to file those, get those on records, make sure they show on your transcript. Then you're going to reach that final stage. The final stage is basically that resolution stage. Based on your case evaluation and you figured out what type of evaluation that you're going to opt into, now it's time to actually put together your information, whether it's a 433A or if it's a business 433B. You're going to package up your information, send the report over to that revenue officer or the IRS agent that you're working with to basically start the process on that type of resolution. Mind you, these cases sometimes take 6 to 8 or 9 or 12 or 16 months, depending on where you're at in the process. So make sure you do your monthly follow-up with your revenue officers to get this thing resolved in a timely manner. Once again, my name is Christian Onyemem. I'm a certified public accountant and also a certified fraud examiner. We do tax resolution where we help with these cases. I just wanted to break down those three different phases. I hope the video helps.